All over the world, then, there is this extraordinary phenomenon of low-cost private schools. There were probably 300,000 low-cost private schools in India alone. 3 lakh private schools in India alone. Now, my guess is there must be nearly 400,000. 70% of children in urban Lagos, in urban Africa, in urban India are in private schools, and that's true for the poor as well as for the rich. We all know from our ASA, the Annual Status of Education report, that across India as well, 30% of rural children are in private schools. And in some states, much higher. Haryana, Punjab, over 50%. But the crucial question, of course, is how good are they? I just want to make a few points about scripted lesson plans. There's a criticism of the scripted lesson plans saying that they undermine the professionalism of teachers. They make teachers technicians. The advantages of these lesson plans, if you've got less experienced teachers, then you can, of course, you can build in your pedagogy into the lesson plan. You can say, now put your children into groups. Now do think, pair, share. Also, the content there can reflect the content they need to know, so they never can get stuck with some questions they may not know the answer to. You've got not your own words, but the words of an expert. You've got a director who's telling you what to do.